Hello YouTube, this is Anna King. This is my website www.unboxingjerseys.ru. Okay, look at these new jerseys. They are all from my website unboxingjerseys.ru. Some of them were opened, and these ones not opened yet. Okay, let me show you guys the jerseys. This is number 24, Chicago Bears NFL jersey. Yeah, new Easter style. Okay, this one is number 10, Chicago Bears NFL jersey. Okay, this one. This one is the New England Patriots white jersey. The number is 12. The color is white. These ones are new style, untouchable, elite style. I will show you guys the jersey details one by one. Okay, this one is the New England Patriots NFL jersey, number 12. The color is navy blue. Okay, look at this one. This one is Oakland Raiders. Yeah. Sorry, this one is I cannot see the team, but I guess this one is Dallas Cowboys NFL jersey. The color is navy blue. Once I open the bag, I will know. Okay, look at this one. This one is Oakland Raiders. Yeah, number 24. The color is black. Okay, the next. This one is New England Patriots NFL jersey. The number is 14. Yeah, 14. The number is 14. This one is new Easter style also. Okay, the next. This one is Pittsburgh Steelers. Yeah, number 7. Very famous player. The color is black. Okay, the next. This one is Dallas Cowboys Untouchable elite style, number 21. The color is navy blue. Okay, and the next, this one is number 52. The color is black. Yeah, Oakland Raiders NFL jersey, untouchable elite style also. Okay, look at this one. This one is Cowboys number 21. The color is navy blue. This one is untouchable elite style also. Okay, the next. This one is Dallas Cowboys NFL jersey, untouchable elite style, white color, number 4. Okay, the next. This one is Pittsburgh Steelers, number 50. The color is black, untouchable elite style. Yeah, you can see the tag. Okay, the next. This one is a Pittsburgh Steelers also, number 30. The color is black also. Okay, the next. This one is Houston Texans. Yeah, Texans. This one is untouchable elite style also, number 99. Okay, the next. This one is Eagles. Yeah, number 11. The color is white. Yeah, new Easter style also. You can see the tag. This tag is sorry. Yeah, NFL logo. The color is gold. Yeah. sorry, the color is not gold. It's light gray. Untouchable elite style also. The next, this one is number 82. Yeah, this one is the newest style. Okay, the last. This one is a Pittsburgh Steelers NFL jersey, Untouchable elite style, number 90. Okay, look at all the jerseys. Yeah, all the jerseys are newest style. They are from my website, unboxingjerseys.ru. All the style are untouchable elite style. I will show you guys all the jerseys one by one. If you are interested in more style, please leave a comment. Okay, thank you for watching today. See you next time.